Is it possible to create one world religion? What the world will be like if we all have the same religion? If we all believe in the same God, what religion would it be? Is it Islam, Judaism, or Christians? Watch this video to find out. One world religion refers to the idea of a single unified religion that encompasses all of humanity, regardless of cultural, ethnic, or national differences. The concept is based on the belief that a single religion would promote unity, peace, and understanding among all people, leading to a more harmonious world. There are several factors that have led to the renewed interest in the concept of a one world religion. Globalization has brought people from different cultures and backgrounds into closer contact, increasing awareness of common spiritual and ethical values. At the same time, advancements in technology have made it easier for people to connect and share ideas, leading to a greater sense of interconnectedness. A one-world religion is a very interesting topic since 2020. Many people are working on these ideas. A one-world religion headquarters had been opened in Abu Dhabi. It is built on the islands in the Middle Eastern city of Abu Dhabi. The headquarters is done in collaboration with Pope Francis and Sunni Muslim leader Sheikh Ahmad Al-Taib. They have signed a global peace covenant called the Document of Human Fraternity for World Peace. The One World Religion headquarters will have 3 buildings, one building each representing a mosque, a church, and a synagogue. Some people like the idea because it promotes peace and understanding among religion, but some people they dislike it. Christian peoples, however, understand that the term one world religion to refers to the merging of all religion, including Christianity, into a single global religion. One world religion is directly linked to the last days when the Antichrist will establish a one world religion, which will be associated with a one world government and lead to the mark of the beast. Bible prophecy says the persecutions will start with economic sanctions. No one can sell or buy unless they have the marks of the beast. I don't know much about it. Leave in the comments if you know.